As we're going to go ahead and get started here, Mosaic Bird 4251. We are full good luck dice roll. We are going 10 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, 10 here. 10 here. Titans up top. Patriots at the bottom. Now 10 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, 10 here, 10 here. Andrew up top. Tyler at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Again, they all sorted. There's your squads. Mosaic, a bird. Here we go, guys. Good luck. If you want it, man. Like CJ Stroud, 101 incoming. Good luck here, guys. Good luck. Mosaic Bird. The Museum 2-boxer Finest Flashbacks case on the screen, as well as the other Mosaic Bird going to go up right after this. What the heck was that going?
I said it was off the pole.
Like that hit the ceiling. Pack 1, good luck. Jalen Hyatt on the debut for the Giants. And Mosaic of Joe Theismann. For Washington Red, Christian Okoye. Marcus Jones and Austin Eckler. Pack 2. Got an orange coming up. CJ Stroud on the debut for the Texans. Dorian Williams, Emmanuel Forbes for Washington. 21 out of 199. Going to Richard Pumpati. There you go, Richard. We got Ed Reed and Stephon Diggs. We got here. Got Honeycomb coming up. Good luck on the Honeycomb. Be a big one. Devin Achan on the debut. Zach Charbonnet on the Mosaic rookie. Mike Williams on the Honeycomb for the Chargers. Chargers going to Jamie Shealy. There you go, Jamie. Mike Williams on the Honeycomb. Got Quentin Johnston on the rookie intro for the Chargers as well. And Nick Foles, Moments in Time. You guys take your spots on the site. Museum 2-boxer on the move, as is the Finest Flashbacks full case. First ink coming up right here. Justin Tucker on the auto. To 199 in focus for the Baltimore Ravens. And Tom Haggerty. Best kicker maybe ever. I've got a kicker beside me. I'll let him give his opinion.
I would say so.
Clinton Portis. Christian McCaffrey montage. Didn't know if you were a Jason Hansen kind of guy. Martin Gramatica. Sebastian Janikowski.
It goes Tucker, Vinatieri. That's the list.
Vinatieri.
That's the list.
Jackson Smith and Jigba on the debut. Tony Romo, purple. Brian Breesy for the Saints to 49. Man, you're not putting Jay Feely on your list? Nick Bosa, Justin Jefferson. Just trying to name kickers. Phil Dawson's best kicker of all time.
Yeah,
I've got my mini helmet at home.
maybe like Morton Anderson's up there.
Morton Anderson. He signs with a smiley face. Jahmyr Gibbs.
Young Hoku's on his way up there.
On the debut. Sauce Gardner on the red, Silver Tarkenton, and Swagger Pacheco. 4 packs left. Good luck. Got another orange coming up here. Will Levis on the debut for Tennessee. Jordan Addison on the Mosaic Rook. Nice card there from Minnesota. Vikings and Jason. Got Ryan Tannehill, 6 out of 199. For the Titans. And Andrew. Got CeeDee Lamb and David Montgomery. 3 packs to go. Bijan on the debut for the Falcons. You got Stephon Diggs, John Lynch, CeeDee, and Josh Allen. 2 packs left. Got our first carbon copy coming up. Auto right here. Good luck on the auto. Zay Flowers. A couple nice autos in this box. Zay Flowers on the Mosaic Rookie Ink. Going to Tom Haggerty and the Ravens. There you go, Tom.
Double Ravens box.
Ooh, about fumbled it. T-Law for the Jags on the Mosaic. Ventrell Miller, red rookie for the Jags. It's a Ravens box. Carbon copy, Sauce and Ramsey and Cook and McCaffrey. We will just go left or right on the carbon copies at the end of the break. Last pack, Magic. Good luck. Got a blue coming up. Marvin Mims on the debut. Dalton Kincaid, little color match. Nice card here. 40 out of 99 for Buffalo. Who's got those Buffalo Bills? Cody Basinger. There you go, Cody. Kincaid to 99. Color match. Silver Rook, Trey Tucker for the Raiders. Got DK and we got White Swagger of Jalen Hurts. 19 out of 25. Sweet card there for the Eagles. Got those Eagles. Tyler Althouse. There you go, Tyler. Hurts to 25 on the Swagger. It's a sweet card. Again, we'll recap it. You got the Hurts to 25. Tucker, Kincaid to 99. Zay Flowers on the ink. Addison, Bracey, Tucker. Charbonnet Williams on the Honeycomb. Forbes and CJ Stroud. Again, that is the break. Thanks for the fill. We got 2 carbon copies to random. Good luck on those. When you throw them in here, just throw them right down the middle. Ooh. This lamp almost just fell on your head because I kicked it.
Yeah, just looked into it.
Yeah. About decapitated one of us. Don't do that. Don't do that. You don't say that. You don't say that. Would you just look at it? Getting random here, guys. Random left and right on the carbon copies. Good luck. Dice roll. Going 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 to the right. 10 there. 10 right here. And guys, that is the break. Thanks for the fill.